How to make chocolate sponge. We need sugar 240 gram. Eggs 9 piece. Flour 210 gram. Cocoa powder 40 gram. Corn flour 20 gram. Put the eggs and sugar in the bowl of your stand mixer. Beat the eggs until very fluffy and pale yellow, about 15 minutes on medium-high speed. To test that it has been beaten enough. Sift the flour, corn flour and cocoa powder. Put flour mixture on top of the egg mixture, and mix a little at a time, and fold it gently with a spatula, from bottom to top. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. We can make round cake and sponge sheet, and can use for different cakes. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Bake for 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Don't open the oven for the first 20 minutes. After that, remove it from the oven, let it cool for 10 more minutes, loosen around the edges with a knife, and then flip the cake on a wire rack upside down to cool completely. We can use this sponge for chocolate layer cake, black forest and so many cakes.